Okay, just another example of this, the inverse, exact values of inverse function. So again, I've got a sine function, sine inverse of negative square root of 3 over 2. Same process. I would rewrite this as an equation. So I'll go sine inverse of this. So negative root 3 over 2 is equal to y. Okay, if we write this properly. Rearrange this, so the sine inverse goes on the other side, becomes a sine, so you have sine y is equal to negative square root of 3 over 2. The next step was that all you have to worry about was not the value, but just whether this is negative or positive. So sine of an angle is negative, so draw your quadrants. Where is sine negative? In which two quadrants? It is here and here. So these become your angles. What is the value of that angle? Again, you'd go back here. Sine y is equal to negative root 3 over 2. Y would be equal to sine inverse of square root of 3 over 2. Now, note I have not put the negative in here. Why? Because I have already compensated or already accounted for the negative in here. Like I've already said that in these two quadrants sine is negative, so I don't need to worry about this. Okay, so using my special triangles or your exact values, whichever way you know, this becomes 60 degrees. So it's 60 degrees or pi over 3. So I'll call it pi over 3. Okay, so you know this is pi over 3 and this is pi over 3. So your angles would be from the positive x-axis, your angles could be, one of them is this, all the way up to here, which is, what is that? So pi plus the pi over 3, so that would be 4 pi over 3, one angle. And the other angle, you can either go from here all the way up to here, or you can measure it this way, clockwise, which is that pi over 3. So clockwise angles are negative, so you could say my two angles are negative pi over 3 and positive 4 pi over 3. Again, notice that the range, the sine inverse of a value is equal to the range of the function. The range of the sine inverse function is between negative pi over 2 and positive pi over 2, which is from here. So negative pi over 2 to your positive pi over 2. So in this region. And obviously that is the only angle that falls within that region. That one's out. So your final answer would be negative pi over 3. So you'd go, this is equal to negative pi over 3.